Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about panettone cake, what it is, why it's so tall and light, and why people around the world love it during the holidays. In this video, we'll also look at what makes panettone different from regular cake or bread. Let's get started. If you've ever opened a big paper box in December and found a tall, domed cake inside, you've met panettone cake. It smells like butter and vanilla, often with a little citrus, and it slices into soft, airy wedges that feel almost weightless. Panettone is a holiday staple in Italy, but it's also a favorite for US brunch tables and easy gifting. It looks fancy, yet it's meant to be shared, torn, toasted, and enjoyed with coffee. This guide breaks down what makes panettone different, how to buy one that tastes fresh, not dry, plus the simplest ways to serve it, store it, and use every last slice. What panettone cake is, and why it is so light and tall. Panettone is a sweet Italian yeast bread that eats like cake. It's baked in a tall paper mold, so it rises upward instead of spreading out. The result is that classic cylinder shape with a rounded top, like a soft little dome. Tall dome-shaped panettone cake sliced vertically on a rustic wooden table, revealing light airy crumb with raisins and candied orange peel. The crumb is the real giveaway. A good panettone has long, tender strands you can pull apart, almost like cotton candy made of bread. It's gentle on the tongue, never heavy. Even when it includes fruit, it shouldn't feel dense. Panettone also carries tradition. It's most tied to Christmas and New Year's, but plenty of people enjoy it through winter, especially at breakfast. It fits right in next to a fruit bowl and a pot of coffee. Bread or cake? Here is the simple way to think about it. If cake and bread had a kid, panettone would be it. It's a sweet yeast bread, so it rises like bread. Still, it tastes like dessert because the dough is rich and fragrant. Compared with other baked treats, here's the simplest mental picture. It's lighter than fruitcake, with a softer bite and less sticky chew. It's less buttery than brioche in many versions, yet still tender. It's usually more airy than either one, with a pull-apart crumb. That airy texture is why people call it panettone cake. It slices like cake, it smells like cake, and it disappears like cake. What makes panettone rise so high? Yeast, time, and a rich dough. Panettone gets its height from yeast and patience. Bakers let the dough ferment for a long time, which helps flavor build and keeps the crumb soft. Time also makes the inside more elastic, so it can stretch as it rises instead of breaking. Traditional panettone often uses a sourdough starter, sometimes called a natural leaven. Many store-bought panettone cakes use commercial yeast because it's faster and easier to scale. Both can taste great, but the best ones still respect the slow rise idea. That's it for part 1. Now you know what panettone cake is and what makes it so unique. In part 2, we'll talk about how to choose a good panettone, how to serve it, and easy ways to use leftovers. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.